Lemonade, 50 cents. Oh boy, that guy actually thinks he can make loads of money just by selling some lemonade, man. That's hilarious. Look at all the money I'm making just by selling some lemonade, man. I'm rich, boy. Huh? I need to make myself some lemonade. How to make lemonade. Use a juicer to squeeze 10 lemons. Then pour the juice in a pitcher or a jug. Measure 1 cup of sugar and pour it in the pitcher or jug. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Fill the pitcher 3/4 full with cold water. Taste your lemonade and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and subscribe.